creative shortcuts and pro techniques. Illustrator 2023 Explore, Create, Conquer. This tutorial shows you how to use Intertwine in Illustrator 2023. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to do things up and down to each other without hard work. You're looking at some illustrations. Here, I've chosen a chain brush that I'm going to apply over the entire image, and then you'll see how I can easily apply this chain under some objects and on top of others. Let's put it through Intertwine tool. We can do this, which was very difficult before. Look what I'm doing. We have the object in front of us. We will draw a circle on the part of the object that we want to move back, so that the object will go up and our image will not be damaged and our chain will know. If you want all the work to go back to its place, you can also undo it. See this option in front of you. This second one is in front of you, a star and a circle. Now look, when we use the Intertwine tool, a lasso tool appears in front of us, with the help of which we can move some objects forward and backward, and can change their color too. Benefits of using interweaving objects in Adobe Illustrator 2023. Creating intricate and complex designs quickly. Adding depth to your projects. Enhancing color palettes and contrast levels in an image. Creating a unique look for your artwork. Try experimenting with different shapes and colors to create a unique look. You can also adjust the level of interweaving by selecting the lines from the Intertwine panel and adjusting the opacity. Thanks for watching.